Well, hi, and welcome to Coffee with Chris. TGIF. And you know what makes this day, which is May 26th, even better, is it's a holiday weekend. And can you believe it's Memorial Weekend already? I don't know about you, but this is coming up pretty fast. So I guess everybody's getting ready. Whether you're celebrating at home with friends and family, whether you're headed to the beach, the lake, the pool, who knows, camping, any place. Just hopefully everybody's going to have a wonderful and safe weekend. We are the Front Porch, located at 24 South Main Street in downtown Pennington, New Jersey. And as always, we are very happy to be with you. Reminder of our hours. Our hours are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday from 1 to 6. Thursday, we are testing, being open till 7, so it is 1 to 7. And Saturday, from 12 to 5. After hour and before hour appointments are always available. Okay, so as I was getting ready here, I'm thinking to myself, oh my gosh, I am really surrounded with stuff. So let's talk about stuff. All right, let me see if I can put my cup down somewhere, and then hopefully I remember where I put it. Let me try to do this right here. Okay, what can I say? All right, here we go. First of all, talked about going somewhere. One of the things that you want to do is protect your head, your face, keep it safe from the sun. Just a reminder, we have wonderful Wallaroo hats. This is the new Marseille that we also have available in black with the beige. And then, of course, we can't just have women's hats. We also have men's hats that are available in medium large, large, extra large. So we have something for everyone. And I'm telling you, you've seen the email blasts, you've seen our posts of customers. You come in here and you say, you know what? I don't look good in a hat. I promise you, you will look good in a Wallaroo hat. It's a little bit early in the day, so I'm not gonna put this on my head yet, but I wanted you to know, I wear my golfing hat. I have a Wallaroo hat that I wear for golf, and I wear it every time I play. Speaking of golf, I played golf yesterday, and all I can say to you is it's a good thing that I love the game and I love the women I play with, because I just didn't show up yesterday, but as we all know, that happens. All right, so reminder about that. Then the other item that we had talked about a week ago are those wonderful 100% cotton sweaters made in the USA. Good customer had asked us to bring some in. Well, I just need to tell you that at this point, we have the coral, one coral left, and I believe we have one periwinkle left. I think I'm going to have to reorder, because everybody's just saying, you know what? It's the perfect weight. It's the perfect item for summer, whether you're down at the beach and it's a little bit chilly, or in a restaurant where it's a little bit chilly. And of course, you will always look wonderful, and it is made in the United States. Okay. I think before I move to there, I'm just going to talk to you, since we were just talking about golf and mentioned a little bit about tennis. I have to show you this. Kaylee got this out yesterday, and it is a wonderful stemless, let me make sure you can see it, stemless wine glass with a golf ball bottle stopper. And what it says is, the 19th hole is my happy place. Unfortunately, I had to go to work yesterday. I never got to the 19th hole, but it definitely is a very happy place for a lot of golfers. And then I have to show you this, because once again, tennis is something that is very usually difficult to find a gift for. So I just have to show you a little tennis ball on the top, stemless glass, and this says, just serve me wine. I haven't played tennis in a long time, but those of you that are tennis players probably can definitely relate to it. The only thing that they're missing here, I wish they had done one for pickleball, but who knows? With the way that sport is growing, we might be able to buy one of those down the road. Okay, then you happen to be going to see someone, or you maybe have a beach house or whatever. Just a reminder of a few things. We just got a restock of the beautiful Michelle Design, basically down at the shore type foaming soap. Let me just show you this. And napkin. Once again, you can buy the napkin and the foaming soap separately. So whatever you want to do is fine. Just want to just show you, we are so happy to be replenished. And of course, the ever famous beach, which was the original one. I think we also have these napkins in beverage also. Great gift if you haven't used Michelle Design's foaming soap for yourself. Once you use it, you're never going to want to use anyone else's, and it smells wonderful. Then another item that reminds us of the beach, of course, is Inish of Ireland. And I don't think I mentioned this on Wednesday, but a very good customer came in here and just bought us out of the wonderful Inish diffuser, which is this package. Fortunately, this company is very buttoned up. I did an immediate reorder because I definitely wanted to have this in for the holiday weekend. We got this back in stock, along with, a lot of you will be happy to know, the larger Inish bar of soap. I know you like to use this, and also the small bar. We basically have everything that Inish of Ireland makes. And this is just a wonderful, wonderful company. All right. Then, once again, just need to show you one other thing, and this is another company's adorable soap. Check out these. Aren't they great? Just little bars of soap, just ready, getting you ready for the beach. And it comes in a beautiful box. If I can get the lid off, which I probably can't. Ah, there we go. It comes in this beautiful, beautiful box. It can be wrapped, and you're ready to give it away. All right. Then, another item that we've been talking about, and it definitely hit yesterday, we'll start getting it out, are a few pillows and towels from Cat Studio. That's the company that does many of the schools and also each of the states across the country. But I just grabbed this one from the receiving station. We just got back in Penn State, just so you know. We also got in Virginia Tech and Villanova. I think I've talked to you about this before, but this is a wonderful gift that can be personalized with initials, the graduation date, and it really is something that graduate, customers have even used this for wedding gifts. Whomever you're giving it to, they'll never forget you gave it to them. It is a wonderful, wonderful gift. Okay, then another surprising gift, and this is something that a very good customer decided to do about a month ago. And probably if you've been in here, you might not have ever seen this, but I just have to show you. And this is just a sample. This is a board that is done. This is made in the United States. And what you're seeing on there is handwriting of a recipe. And what this very special customer did it for her sister as a gift. And it was her sister's husband that had passed away several years ago. It was his handwriting and his very, very special recipe. So if you happen to have something like this, what a wonderful gift for that certain person. And then the other thing that we did, which I think is really great, is on the back, we did a personalized message. Plus, we always have the Front Porch logo on the back too, and this is made in the United States. It really didn't take us very long to do it. I think it'd be great if we had a month, so it's not a fire drill, because we always like to see you, get you approved. Once again, you don't have to come in here to see it or do it. We can do it with you over the phone, 609-737-0071. You can always text us on our store cell phone at 609-902-9200 or email us at sales@thefrontporchnj.com. All right, let's see how we're doing. Okay, I think we're doing okay on time, and this last piece is not going to take me long. A lot of you come flying in here for baby gifts, and then you go, well, what do I get the big brother? What do I get the big sister? Just wanted to show you a couple of things. We just got in new big sis hats. Whoops, I grabbed two. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. We actually, and I did, sorry about that. We also have Big Bro, and I will tell you, Big Bro looks just like that. And we also got in new, hopefully I grabbed both, Big Sis cups, which are really cute, and Big Bro cup. And you can't forget that we have Big Bro bracelets and Big Sis bracelets, the little rubber bracelets. And last but not least, one of our favorite items is the Super Big Sis and Super Big Bro cape that can be very easily and quickly personalized by Fancy Threads. And last but not least, and this came in yesterday, Kelly said, I even like to do this still. We got in sparkly chalk. So right now is a great time to be writing in the driveway, writing on the walk, doing all kinds of fun things, and we got it in 2 colors. Wouldn't that be a great add-on gift for a big brother or a big sister? Okay, so hopefully not everything is going to fall to the ground. I think that is it for now. I want to thank you for joining me. Hopefully you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday weekend. Get out and do whatever you like to do. The weather is just wonderful, and I think it's supposed to be that way all weekend. So thank you for joining us, and we will see you on the next Coffee with Chris on Wednesday at 12:30. Be safe and have a great weekend.